Welcome to another episode of Bag Restoration. Our subject today is this vintage Gucci double-handle shoulder bag. The body of the bag is in black suede, and the handles are in smooth, shiny leather. This is the only hardware. The suede needs to be cleaned. Some scuffing on the corner. The handles are in good shape. We will apply some conditioner. As is often the problem with vintage Gucci bags from the 90s, the faux leather lining has degraded. The pocket lining uses a strip of the same faux leather material as facing. Different colors of the faux leather material used by Gucci would have different properties when they degrade. I'm guessing this material used to look like black suede. Now it's just very dry and crumbly. Some people would clean these linings out by washing them in their sink. I would be hesitant to put who knows what toxic chemicals and carcinogens back into the municipal water system. Let's get started. Here I'm cutting the stitching all around the top to separate the lining from the main body. Now we can pull out the lining. Be sure to wear a mask and do this outside because of the kind of particles that could potentially come out at this step. This metal bar is for structural support. We'll find a better way than tape to attach it when we put everything back together. Here I'm checking how all the layers are put together. The stiffeners inside the zipper flap are made of paper. They would also need to be replaced. Let's check out the body of the bag. Yes, we need a better way to attach these metal bars. Behind this paper stiffener is a layer of yellow low-density foam. The foam was glued to the side to provide padding, but it has since deteriorated into yellow dust. the lining is being taken apart to make a pattern. The back piece, the gusset, and the front piece with the zipper flaps. We'll clean and reuse the tag, clean and reuse the zipper, make sure we add support to the zipper opening, and wash and reuse the pocket lining. This is what the inside of the zipper flap looks like. I'm almost done remaking the zipper flap when I noticed a problem. The spacing between the edge of the upper flap and the zipper teeth is uneven. And a ruler says it's 7 millimeters on the left and 5 millimeters on the right. I would have let it pass, but my OCD does not allow it. So it's rip time. Take 2. How did we do? Let's measure it. Five millimeters on the right. And 5 millimeters on the left. I'm going to make a pattern out of the old lining and cut it out on the new lining material, which is a Napa lamb leather. The new back lining panel, all hand stitched. Notice the thread color change over the black tag. Here I'm sewing up the lining by hand. The white tape is added to prevent the lambskin from stretching out. With hand punched holes, this is actually a quite easy process. And I have to say, this is probably the most enjoyable part of this project. And here's the lining all stitched up. For the main body of the bag, I replaced the stiffener and padding with new material and added additional support at the bottom. We're now ready for final assembly. And here's our restoration result. Black and red make a very striking combo. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Until the next project.